The Wedding That Never Happened: True Love and Betrayal Story. Hello everyone and welcome back to Endless Vocademy. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below. Your support truly means the world to us and helps our channel grow. We have so many more emotional and inspiring stories coming your way. The best is yet to come. Sparkling heart. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's emotional true story. They were supposed to get married in just 3 days. Invitations were sent. The dresses were ready. The future looked perfect. But sometimes, life destroys everything right before your eyes. Her name was Selam, a kind-hearted woman who believed love could heal anything. She met Dawit at university, the quiet, respectful guy who helped her study when everyone else laughed at her accent. Soon, study sessions turned into late-night calls, and friendship turned into love. They promised each other, "No matter what happens, we'll stay together." For 5 years, they built their dreams side by side. They talked about their future house, their kids, even the color of their wedding decorations. It was all perfect, until one message changed everything. 3 days before their wedding, Selam received a message from an unknown number. "You don't really know the man you're marrying." At first she ignored it. People get jealous, she thought. But hours later, another message arrived, this time with pictures. Photos of Dawit with another woman, holding hands, smiling, not old photos, recent ones. Her heart froze. Her hands shook. She wanted to believe it was fake, maybe Photoshop, maybe a setup. But deep down, she knew something was wrong. She confronted Dawit that night. Tears already filled her eyes before she even spoke. "Who is she?" she whispered. He stayed silent. "Please just tell me the truth," she begged. Finally he spoke. "It was a mistake. I didn't mean to hurt you." But it wasn't a mistake. The truth was, he was engaged to that woman before he met Selam. And when that woman came back into his life, he couldn't let her go. The next day, Selam canceled the wedding. No explanations. No drama. Just silence. The guests were confused. The families were angry, but Selam, she was numb. She left town, deleted her social media, and disappeared for months. Dawit tried calling her hundreds of times, but she never answered. 1 year later he saw her again, not as a broken woman, but as a strong, confident soul. She was smiling, truly smiling, for the first time in years. He tried to speak, but she only said one thing: "Thank you for not marrying me. You saved me from a lifetime of pain." Then she walked away, forever. Sometimes, losing someone you love is not a tragedy, it's freedom disguised as pain. Thank you so much for watching this emotional story on Endless Vocademy. If you felt this story deeply, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.